The puppies are 37 days old. This is their very first time outside in the outside pen. And Wendy is sporting her weaning shirt. She has not seen the puppies up front and personal like this for a few days. She has been completely non-nursing for 4 days now, although I'm sure the puppies would try to nurse if they could. Hence the weaning shirt on her, but the puppies are eating well enough. But they haven't been outside before. Good girl, Wind. What? Don't roll on them. She doesn't, I don't think, realize that they really can't bite at her and start nursing. That's usually been the big bugaboo. This is the first time we've ever had a weaning shirt for a dog. I've had t-shirts in the past. I've knotted on the top. And that's helped, but they could always sneak in the back. What is she trying to do? Wendy, you don't have to do that, you know. She says, oh, yeah, I don't have to. They really can't get at me. All right, we're gonna let them play for a bit, and then I'll untie them all. Like I say, that's just so you can see who's who. A few toys and some water. All new and different.